excited and win this Asia Cup.
Thank you very much and good luck. Rohit, big occasion, massive occasion for Nepal. What's the feeling in the camp and overall back home?
I think everyone's very happy. We are playing for the first time in the Asia Cup, so it's a big achievement for all of us. So I think so everyone's happy in the camp and all over the Nepal, everyone is happy.
You practiced here a few times now in Pakistan. Conditions similar to what you're used to?
Yeah, most of the things are very similar. I think we are used to these conditions, and looking at the wicket, I think it's a very beautiful wicket to bat on. So, yeah.
Just your combination, what is your bowling combination playing today?
Sandeep Lamisane, Lalit Rajbansi, Karan Kesi, Sopal Kami, Gulchandra, they are there.
Thank you very much and good luck.
Thank you.
So the news out here in the centre is that Pakistan have won the toss.